sticking with the heat for a minute, you know this story about the subscription fee for the heated seats in a BMW. The internet got all fired up. The internet flipped out.
Well, we did, right?
Oh, did we? Okay.
Well, I did.
You might have flipped out.
Yeah.
Anyway, of course, as you'd expect, the community of modders and so forth, they say, no worries. We'll figure it out. They say, we'll get in there and unlock those features for you.
I'll just do that.
Yeah, we're not worried. These companies are listed across the internet in different places like eBay and Etsy, and they can already do certain things for your vehicle. Some things probably not super smart, like, say, for example, disabling the chime when you don't put your seatbelt on, or some of the security features like, you can't watch video on your display while you're driving.
Yeah, watch me. I'll hack it.
Yeah, and then they find ways to do it, and obviously you can find ways to do it. And in some cases, they can even do it remotely, where they don't even need to have access to your vehicle, available in Canada and the U.S., actually. And they can do so. BMW coding firms generally offer customers two different ways to receive new features for their vehicle. The company can either offer the coding in person, where a representative will visit the customer at their home and perform the coding there, or they will remotely access the customer's BMW. Remote coding in the United States and Canada. Customers will buy an eNet cable, a cable with an Ethernet port at one end that plugs into their laptop, and the other end plugs into the onboard diagnostics OBD port on the BMW. They go for $25, and then all of a sudden provide the remote access. Some of the features that can be activated here: turn on an alarm sound when unlocking or locking the vehicle, which is off by default for some regions. Removing the legal notice on the iDrive BMW Entertainment, which happens on boot up. Automatically unlock the doors after pressing the stop button. Close the car's windows via the key fob. Setting the windows to open with the key fob, but keeping the sunroof open. Automatic headlamp cleaning, and many, many more. So like all types of tweaks and stuff can be done as you would expect. And so this group is not worried about this heated seat subscription. They say, come to us. Come speak to us. We'll take care of you.